say me or Nick and or Chevy came in like acting like a wolf or a cat or something.
I think you're a fucking I think you're fucking weird. Weird.
I know what you're gonna say.
Weird. I mean, like, don't act like that. My fucking buddies and shit around. Fuck.
If I was
In the
like,
mall, I'll kick you in the ass.
if I was like, meow.
Oh god. Is that your kid?
I was like, Dad,
Yeah.
I'm a cat.
Isn't he a little big to carry?
You come in the house, I'm shitting in the litter box.
Fuck, I'd kill you.
Oh my. I'm like,
Get up, not wipe your ass, or nothing, just walk away.
Dad, I'm not done.
We've got something
I start
called
kicking
Chainsaw,
the
which
litter.
is unique to community. This allows